Alright, YouTubers, first time making some Pillsbury Grands cinnamon rolls. Let's see how these turned out. Whew, damn. Yeah, these definitely turned out. I gave them their maximum amount of baking time. Or maybe a little bit more than I should have, but they're not burnt. It'll definitely be something to chew on. So they're not totally dark, but you know, they got a good brown to them. Wow. So let's see how spreadable this topping is. I put it on top of the stove so it would loosen up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's a good thing I let this thing heat up a bit. Definitely not good for one's diet. Let's see how long their refrigerator life is. I'd have one or two. There's only 5 of them, so if I'm smart and I don't eat the crap out of them all and screw myself up in the process with the weight, it should be kind of good to go. Try my best to eat sparingly. Those are all those little nice white lies we tell ourselves until it comes to eating, and then it's like, holy moly, that looks good. Again, these are the Pillsbury Grands cinnamon rolls, which I might have left in a little longer than I should have. I don't know. They are not burnt, but they're brown. I think that is exactly the right amount. God, if I'm not careful, I'll start sounding like Martha Stewart. Ha! Oh, God. Alright. These don't look bad at all. Bad for you, but not bad at all. If that makes any sense. Alright, close up. Learn how to use this zoom in, zoom out. Anyways. Makes 5. Alright, have a good one.